What's going on, Power Squad? Will Power here, and I'm with
Ethan Crow, and we're with
our first ride along.
Christy.
Christy is planning on joining the Will Power Squad as a realtor. Coming January, she's getting a real estate license. Today, we're driving for dollars out in the AlpharettA area.
yeah.
We had some technical difficulties in the last 3 days with the memory on the iPhone. You know, all these videos, I do them on the iPhone on an app, and the memory on my iPhone was acting up. So I finally was able, we had done a podcast video that was like an hour long and it was taking up all my memory. So I was able to finally get rid of that video. Get rid of that video and free up memory. So I'll be uploading videos today and tomorrow for the last 2-3 days. So stay tuned.
I bet in these neighborhoods, like you really gotta look for this, like the smaller things. Like if a gutter's fucked up, like you really gotta look for that shit, because there's not gonna be like a boarded up house in Alpharetta.
This one looks,
That one looks nice as fuck.
Should we all go live there?
right? Not bad at the end. We got plenty of parking for when we have parties. We don't got no neighbors. We'll make friends with that neighbor.
You're thinking about parking for parties. I'm thinking about when your kids grow up and need somewhere to park.
Shit. Don't be the party helpers. We need more beer. Alright, Power Squad, so we're heading out of this little neighborhood. We're here in Alpharetta because this is too much of a good neighborhood, high end. These are like $600,000 to $900,000 houses, and there's no distressed properties around here. So we're going to a lesser quality neighborhood. Stay tuned. Alright, Power Squad, so we're leaving Best Buy. We're looking for some microphones for you guys. We're gonna have to go and check on Amazon. We didn't like what they had here.
Yeah, we see some on Amazon, which is like, what we want is the Bluetooth ones where you plug in the little chip and then you can wear them. But they only have the Rode ones, and those are like $300 here. You can get them on Amazon for like 20, so we'll probably just get those.
All right.
Yes, sir.
I'm at 195.
Yes, sir, that was me. I just want to ask you a few questions about your property.
About my property?
Yes, sir. Are you looking to sell by chance?
No.
No, not at all.
Okay.
Got you. Have you thought about having a renovation done?
No.
Okay, I understand, sir. Okay, well, thank you for giving me a call. Have a good day.
What's going on, Power Squad? Will Power here, and I'm with
Ethan Crow.
and we're heading back from Alpharetta. We drove around for like 2 hours. Shitty ass day. We got two houses, 2 prospects.
I think we were just in the wrong part of Alpharetta.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's parts where there's not that high end, but lots of big houses. $700,000 houses.
Yeah, $700,000, $900,000 price range. So we're heading back to the crib right now to skip trays, cold call, work on the marketing for the last 2 days, and that should be it.
Short video today.
Yep.
Nothing too exciting.
Any willpower tip of the day?
Willpower tip of the day. Let's see here. All right, willpower tip of the day. I'd like to say, if you have your mind stuck on something and you've been doing it for a long period of time and it really hasn't worked out for you, and you know that it's going to work out, just keep grinding, because consistency is, if you keep doing it, it'll pay off. But now, if you are doing something for over a year and you're really giving it your all, maybe that's something that's not for you. But just never stop grinding. Don't give up.
Willpower tip of the day: don't stop. Willpower. Don't hire help. Build a team. Build a dream.
Reach for the stars.